In this video we will talk about the baking soda, amazing benefits of baking soda, lemon juice for acne, cancer and teeth whitening. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel to be notified when we upload new videos daily. The amazing benefits of baking soda, lemon juice for acne, cancer and teeth whitening. Baking soda and lemon juice combinations have become a popular home remedy. Some people claim that baking soda and lemon juice can improve the skin, treat heartburn, and whiten teeth. Baking soda is more than just a cake-raising ingredient, it has various health and beauty benefits attributed to it. One of the biggest benefits is that it is known to counter acid reflux, thanks to its alkaline properties. It helps neutralize stomach acids and provides relief from indigestion in adults. Lemon juice for acne. The plus side to lemon juice is that it's an all-natural, inexpensive product that you can easily buy at the store. However, science doesn't suggest that you'll see any significant results using lemon juice directly on your skin. The fruit itself may burn your eyes due to its acidity, and it can also strip your skin of its natural oils, which could potentially make your acne worse. Acne is often caused by a disturbance in your skin's natural pH levels, whether this comes from stress, hormones or the food you eat. With any treatment, you'll want to be extra careful about disturbing your skin's pH even more, which will only exacerbate the problem. How to use baking soda for acne. Face mask. To create a face mask, mix between 1 and 2 teaspoons of baking soda with a facial cleanser and add a small amount of warm water to form a paste. Massage into the affected area and leave on the skin for 10 to 15 minutes before washing it off with warm water. Exfoliant. To use baking soda as an exfoliant, make the same mixture as a face mask, but wash it off right away after application. It is also possible to add baking soda to a facial scrub to boost its pore cleansing power and get rid of dead skin cells. Face wash. For a baking soda facial wash, add a maximum of 2 teaspoons of baking soda to a facial wash. Apply to the face and wash off with warm water. Baking soda can dry out the skin, so apply a hydrating moisturizer immediately afterwards to help prevent dry skin and tightness. Teeth whitening. Many oral care products contain baking soda due to its antibacterial properties, and its ability to remove plaque without eroding tooth enamel. Baking soda may also help remove surface-level tooth stains, making it an effective and affordable alternative to traditional teeth whitening. However, there is little evidence to suggest that adding lemon juice to baking soda will enhance the dental benefits of baking soda. Lime and lemon contain citric acid, which is an effective bleaching agent. To use, mix half teaspoon of baking soda to half teaspoon of lime or lemon. Use your toothbrush to brush your teeth with the mixture. Let the mixture sit for a minute before washing it off. However, limit the use of this mixture as citric acid can be detrimental to the teeth due to the acid found in limes and lemons. Baking soda and lemon for cancer. Baking soda, sodium bicarbonate, is a natural substance with a variety of uses. It has an alkalizing effect, which means it reduces acidity. Baking soda can't prevent cancer from developing. There is, however, some research suggesting that it might be an effective complementary treatment for people who have cancer. This means you could use baking soda in addition to, but not instead of, your current treatment. How to make lemon and baking soda mask. The lemon baking soda mask is as simple as it sounds. All you need is lemon juice and baking soda. 1. To make the face mask, mix 1 teaspoon of lemon juice with 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Baking soda reacts with the lemon juice and fizzes a lot. But keep mixing until you get a runny, pale yellow paste. 2. Use this paste to rub all over your face and neck, avoid your eye. Scrub your nose and the T-zone or wherever you find oil on your face. It is normal to feel a bit of a tingle because the baking soda reaction keeps taking place. However, if you feel a burning sensation on your face, immediately wash the mixture off and don't try it again. 3. Also, keep this mixture on your face for no more than 15 minutes to avoid redness. Using a warm, wet washcloth, wipe the mask off your face. Using cold water, close your pores and pat your skin dry. Now moisturize your face with your favorite product. Lemon soda mask for blackheads. Blackheads are essentially dirt that is lodged in the oily, open pores of your skin. As already mentioned, lemon removes oil, and baking soda scrubs away the dirt. Thus, this dual action helps in preventing blackheads and removing them easily. Take the face mask in your fingers, and gently and firmly rub on your nose with the tips of your fingers. Lemon soda mask for whiteheads. These tiny white dots that usually appear around your nose are no less unpleasant than blackheads. Unlike blackheads, whiteheads are clumps of oil and dead skin cells. Lemon juice helps in opening up the pores and makes it easier for the baking soda granules to scrape them away. To help open up your pores more, take a steam bath before applying the face mask. Warning: none of the information on our videos is a substitute for a diagnosis and treatment by your health professional.